Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a hose that you are trying to manage, then having a hose reel is a great way to keep it organized and tidy. So this one here from Strongway has been awesome. We have had this for several years, and we actually have two, one in our backyard and one in our front yard because we just love it so much. So this is wall mounted. You can mount it parallel or perpendicular to the wall. You can also mount it in either a right hand or a left hand configuration. It comes with everything that you need to mount it, as well as the 6-foot lead hose and the fittings. And this is just a really nice heavy duty hose reel. So it can hold up to 150 foot of hose. And some of the other nice features, it does have a locking function. So this little pin here can lock it so that it is not able to move, or you can leave that off to allow it to move freely. It is super sturdy, very stable, and it's also really comfortable to use the actual reel function. It works really well. It's very smooth, and we have had no trouble at all with it. So if you are looking for a solid heavy duty hose reel to make your life easier this year, definitely check this out from Strongway. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.